Hello again, welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Harris 210 Sunliner. As you can see, this heavy-duty boarding ladder. It's a tri-tube with full extensions and the Mercury 150 to power. This particular model has the back seat, reversible backrests, woven teak flooring, upgraded helm seat, nice layout of your helm station. It's laid out perfectly for those who just want to cruise. For a full viewing of this boat and any of our other Harris pontoons here in Gulf Shores MarineMax, come see me, Dwayne Diggs.